Na watch a chairmono and also for sure sika sem so they are fimpinu ni aduonu nsia kwa mabo sika na betuja na bra worker sano Dr. Francis Kumi ono church for Ewo University of Cape Coast Department of Agricultural and Mechanical Engineering Dr. Echimuse no tie ni ye pa nemu na wache na adwen se eba no eye mfidi ahodo a anka ye de ye kua no ye betumi abie research center bi Ewo Manga na mu anansa no ebebo ama sika aban no ehre e de kran fidie fi nkrofo aman so ba no yetumi asie sasika no.
I think they will say about aban no. This is a huge investment for so many years. Such a huge investment, especially in the area of agric machines. Internet say aban any say I will say the machines which is a very good step. So over 4,000 different machines and which is good. However, me kakra me wo can say sebeya aban enye hihye bi nto na yenya research center in charge of agricultural machinery for money. Okoko research ya okoko omo dia no omo ya ne so okoko hu no omo hwehwe mu an omo the new things ibani ade okoko soil research institute omo animal research institute adenti na yeni agricultural machinery research institute. It is asoye de ombe ni say machines na aba omo fa bi omo ye hwehwemu mu say ade ekonisi enti omo so omo de mo adwen betoto ho with time no yesu ye betumi aye bi with time we say afi machines are importing so much 4,000 ya imported this time afi next time no so beti sasika no ye local artisans ni welders ni ngofo mo ye betumi train mo build bi be creative juma Ediama dodo no woman afi so be infrastructure dia man because ebi wo African countries do want expertise go money nti ye kwa ye na so be ama other African countries na ye foreign exchange and say source of income dia man nti aban no hwe no mo set up research center in charge of agricultural machinery. Some of the machines we create bia ye de ba no kra ye betumi aye se kan hu bomi ye betumi aye ebi wo machine bi wo kra no a smallholder farm do 10 acres 5 acres there's a machine okota esoma mdodo adenti ne yenye nkete the same purpose ebe boa emomo so mku ya mede ebe ko mani. One of the areas between disika abel my Malaysia for Malaysia you started grants at Malaysia questions and say abai ni ko ho a but there are so many aspects of oil palm value chain here mechanization here say fidie ne mane bi abe mo so mo ide omo ne man beko ni enti ni na no borders on za how ye hu na ye de enema agugu akwan mu abe boa e ma sa aspect ni bo na be de ebe boa ya papa oil palm ibi we koko ya bra bisa technology ahine ye wo koko ba bia koko pot be bia obe break ground be bra sa na betumi break imso ye betumi ay machines ni na so ye hwe ne ye ya betumi ay ma aboa so productivity, the production is better. Because it is certain key aspect of the economy. It will be whole economy. It is oil palm or palm oil, any cocoa, any other. How we can mechanize them. The mechanizer which is between the Sika, your Yan, between crowd or one triple, a baby break, and the amount of mine. So